Hey everyone, Brent here with Live Free and Toulon, and today we're going to be talking about the Olight ArkPro. Now, this is one of the best flashlights I've ever had, and if you check out the color, this hot orange, it matches Tennessee, so I love it. But the things about this light, and I've done a few other reviews about this, right? This is the Arc Pro, so this is the newest one. It has 1500 lumens. It has three different settings on it, so three different types of light. You can do a floodlight, a spotlight, you can do an ultraviolet light, and actually it has four modes. And you can do a laser right there too. Lasers are awesome. I don't really use the black light that much, but I use the flood and I use the spotlight consistently all the time. And a couple other things I like about it is that it has a hat clip right here and it has a really nice accessible belt clip right there. You can charge it two different ways. You have a magnetic charger right on the back of it. And then if you look right here, you actually have a USB-C charger right there. Great battery life. It's all aluminum, so it's milled aluminum, so it's super strong. Now here's the deal. The reason why I make so many videos about this light is because if you see right here, it's going to be harder to see right there. It's super compact, it's small, it's cylinder, it doesn't roll away, so it's not round. And if it's not round, that means it's flatter, right? If it's flatter, it fits in your pocket a little bit easier. That means it fits in your bag a little bit easier. It fits everywhere. It's super mobile. You're able to walk with it anywhere. You're able to carry it. You're able to travel with it. And that's what I love about this light. Now, a couple other things about it is that it's super tough. It's water rated, so I think IP68 rated. I've never had it go bad. Any situation, I've never had water damage on it, any of mine. And I've had probably 5 Olights at this point. Everything about it is quality. In fact, it's just the best quality light I've ever had. Is it expensive? It's a little pricey, but what do you expect whenever you have something this quality? Now, the reason why I talk about this is because I carry it with me every single day. It's my everyday carry, or EDC, part of my pack here, right? So it goes with me in my computer bag or it goes in my tool bag. Either or, I actually have one for both. So if it's in my tool bag, it's tough enough that it's not going to get broken on the job site, or if I'm doing projects, if it gets kicked around, whatever, it's not going to get hurt, right? Another cool thing, the reason why I like it on the job site is it's magnetic as well. And being that it's magnetic, it's going to stay on a lot of different surfaces. You're not going to lose it. And that is key. I like it in the office and in my computer bag because A, it looks professional. It looks really good. Everything about it, the engineering, it just looks sleek. That means when you're in a professional environment, you look professional, you're going to feel professional, and maybe people are going to ask you about it, and that's really cool. And then it feels just really good in the hand. It feels quality. It has really good milled, as you can see there, really good milled grips in it. They're very effective, and everything about it is resilient as well, and that's what you really want. If you're going hiking, this is perfect to throw on your bag. Make sure, keep it with your carabiners, because this is going to go wherever you go. The battery lasts a long time, so you're going to be able to see at night, whether it's just going out and you're spotting something in the tree line, or you need the floodlight so you can have more of an ambient or a spread dispersed light. And that's really effective, right? You need something effective when you're out in the woods. All right, everyone, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you learned a little bit about the Olight ArkPro. This thing is compact, super durable, everything that I want within a light, especially if I'm going to carry it every single day and I'm going to travel with it. Click down below. Do some more research. But until next time, get out there, try something new. Try a new tool. Hey, try to build something new. And if you fail, hey, that's okay. Learn from your mistakes and pass on the solutions to the next generation. And until next time, hey, see you later. Take care.